If you have always been discouraged on YouTube, then it is time for you to get more courage. And if you have always been seeing YouTube and you don't want to do YouTube, probably because you don't know what YouTube is, hi, you can make money on YouTube creating content. And yes, that same life you think you don't want to put out here, or that same thing that you know that you don't want to put out here, put it out here and start monetizing your skills. Right now, a lot of people are diving into content creating, and I'm not going to be saying that YouTube is all of that simple. YouTube is not all of that simple. But in today's video, if you stay with me from the beginning to the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you reasons why you should keep doing YouTube, reasons why you should also keep being consistent even when you're not getting the results. A lot of us started with such end of trying and not getting the results. I remember waking up countless times crying that I only have 50 views, 20 views, 10 views. But today, I can at least sleep and wake up with 500 views. And I'm so grateful for that. And of which I know that there is a better end for everything. There is also a better future in creating content. Let me tell you one of the benefits. One of the benefits of creating YouTube content, even when you're not getting the views, is you are going to be financially free. And who don't like to be free? Every single person's like to be free. Every person's like to have that freedom of, oh, you can just stay in your home, stay in your background and just do this without anybody having to stress you. I'm creating this content now with just my bonnet on, but still I'm going to be making money from this content. That's the freedom content creating can give you. And if content creating can give me that freedom of becoming financially free just by sitting in my home, wearing my bonnet, doing whatever I want to do, and then still make money, why not? Why should I say that I'm not going to make money? I'm not going to create content. I am going to be creating content. So even if you think that you're not getting the desired views or you're not achieving what else you need to achieve right now, it doesn't mean that you're not going to still achieve all of those things in future. Keep creating YouTube content and thank me later. If you know, recently I have been writing exams, and even with writing my exam, I just stand, talk and go my way, and still I've been able to get something out of it. I know that it is not a whole lot, just like the way I usually get before, because I know I've not been really consistent, but I've been still able to strive something, and of which is the financial freedom that we are talking about. The second reasons why you should keep creating content and keep posting on YouTube is because YouTube is one of the major paying platforms. Compare it to all of the social media platform. I tell you for a fact, YouTube pays better. When I mean YouTube pays better, both in revenue, in visibilities and everything. And the good part of YouTube is not just going to limit you that you are just on YouTube platform. It also gives you the chance for you to meet up other people that can actually push you out there for a better visibility. So one of the beautiful things that I said is YouTube pays better. And if you're looking for that platform that can actually pay you better in creating content, YouTube is number one platform you should look out for. The third reason why I think you should keep creating content even when you're not getting the visibility is you're building your brand. Building your brand is very important. I have been trying to build my brand, or I have built my brand rather, but I'm still trying to improve my brand. But in as much as that, I have been getting recognized by companies, by friends, families, and other things, and of which for me is a very beautiful thing. So YouTube actually gave me this platform to be able to explore this. And the truth is, when you're able to build your brand and brands start reaching out to you, you tend to make more money than what you're even making on YouTube. So even if you're not making any money for now, just consider the fact that you're building your brand, and your brands can actually give you what is even more than what YouTube can give you. Honestly, I've been able to work with some of these brands, and some of these brands, I can tell you for a fact that some of the money that they've been able to pay me is even more than what I earn from YouTube. You understand? But the joy of it is that at the end of the day, you have been recognized by industry companies and brands, and they have been able to reach out to you. So they might not be reaching out to you currently now because you're still trying to build your brand. But trust me, anything you're doing, just try your possible best to be building your brand, and you will definitely, I tell you, you will definitely not regret it. Another reason why I think you should continue doing YouTube, even if YouTube is difficult, even if you do not like doing YouTube, is that YouTube is documentary. I love documentary a lot. and I'll keep saying this, I love the fact that I need to go back to my videos in 1 or 2 times and I'll be like, oh, this is where I started and this is where I am right now. You understand? Now, if you want to really enjoy the act of creating content, just master what you're doing, learn on daily basis. Trust me, you are definitely not going to regret joining this platform called YouTube. YouTube has really blessed me. YouTube has really made me who I am today. YouTube has really showcased my face out there, and I believe that you can also be among those ones that YouTube can actually be promoting. Continue to create content on YouTube. Trust me, you will not regret it. There is reward in creating content on YouTube, and all of this reward I've been able to mention are what you are definitely going to achieve and more. So if you're going to be achieving all of this, why not? Why not continue to do what you know how to do best? Why not go ahead and look for those valuable content that you can put out here for people to be able to watch and then being able to relate to what you're actually doing? Why still keeping that your lifestyle that can actually just fetch you small money here? Like I said, there is no journey that is easy. Every journey is difficult, but the moment you take the bold step and you keep doing what you know how to do best, you cannot invest your time in a whole year on YouTube and not achieve what you want to achieve. And I hope this video is able to reach anyone out there. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. I hope to see you keep creating content, and I'll see you in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.